You are invited to our open house on Saturday, January 23rd from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Come and see this lovely home with lots of updates. We are here to help you find the property of your dreams. Raquel Dowell will be here to answer your questions. Cell number 8637095769. Please comply with all CDC guidelines, social distancing, and use a mask to enter the home. Seller will be hosting a yard sale during open house times. All welcome. The living is easy in this well cared for 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2-car garage residence. The floor plan encompasses spacious bedrooms with plenty of room for study, sleep, and storage, 2 spacious bathrooms, and a stylish kitchen with tons of cabinet space that flows through to the dining room and bonus room. The master bedroom, complete with a walk-in ensuite, ensures plenty of room for rest along with master bathroom with inviting oversized jetted tub for some downtime. The bonus room is perfect for just about anything with views out to the koi pond and water fountain. Use as an art room, library, enclosed lanai, formal dining or family room, you choose. There are many updates to this home. 2012 air conditioner and water filtration, 2013 garage door and water pump, 2016 garage and front entry screens and guest bath updated, 2017 master bath vanity and toilet and shed in the back, 2018 appliances, 2019 flooring. Partly. 2020 exterior paint. Perfect for primary or as a holiday retreat, this home is ideally positioned to enjoy the proximity to cafes, restaurants, shopping, medical centers and Fort Cooper Park. Many in and out of Florida have found this hidden gem called Citrus County. Here you will encounter environmentally protected regions and animals. A huge variety of flora and fauna for those craving the outdoors. Plus, infinite outdoor recreational options such as boating, fishing, scalloping, swimming with manatees, kayaking, canoeing, snorkeling, walking, cycling, camping and much more. Call now.